Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade, another sticker collection video. And we're doing vintage. Ooh, we got a box and some clocks. Alright, so each package has multiple sheets or multiple individual ones that are sometimes duplicates. Okay, so there's flowers, clocks, and some other goodies. Oh, I used one already. Oh, let's see, maybe I can put more next to each other. Belts, feathers, clocks. Very good color. Very vivid, very sharp. You can see all the details. Sometimes, especially when it's washi, well, it's the same material as a washi, but sometimes it gets blurry, and that could be either because the washi is really old or the printer was not strong enough. So it often depends on the printer, how good the printer is. Very nice. And look at all the details. You can see everything. You look at it and you see like the little chains under the flower. It's a little chain. Beautiful. Very nice design. Very good quality as well. I got most of these stickers on Aliexpress. Sometimes I buy them in the store if it's like on a good sale, or if I have a coupon for it. These are clocks, and it does not say how many is in the, oh wait, I think it says 40 right there. They're 40, maybe not. I mean, honestly, I don't really care if it's exactly 40 or not, because they're usually really good price compared to the stores. And that's for a clock. And there are also duplicates. What, a flower, a tag, also some kind of tag. That's a duplicate. Ooh, we got a rose, and another one. Bow, newspaper. This says 1997. Another clock, butterfly. Put this right here. One more clock, and I believe this is the last one, a rose. So all of this, nice, very beautiful details. I like every single one except maybe this one is a little bit not too sharp, but it's fine. It still looks really good. All right, what could be in this box? Villet design, retro style, stickers. Wow, look at that. Holy that is a lot. Wow. I hope they're duplicates and not just individual ones. Okay, let's look through these. What is that? Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird. Wow, these are very small. Try to zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, feel free to extend the video and make it full screen, and then you'll see more of this. I'm starting to think that these are all individual and there are no duplicates, because I have not grabbed a single. Oh wow, is that a satanic cat? Oh, still not duplicate. Kwang Fat Hotel. So this is the first batch and I still have a lot in my hand. Lots of things going on here. Feel free to pause and take a better look. But wow, there is so much going on here. Ooh, we got a wave. Is that supposed to look like Godzilla? Oh, yes. Painting. Another geisha. Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Oh, yes. Found a duplicate. And this is duplicate too. Okay. So, there's not so many of it. That's a good thing. That is good. That means it's not just all individual, and then I can reuse some of them, different projects. But there are a lot of designs. Yeah, there's like still a lot more designs, or maybe just this one duplicate. A robot, sea poster, a peacock. Did I have a peacock already? I'm not sure. Anchor, an owl. Interesting. A goose mask, flower, a geisha's head from the back, and a clock. And I still have a lot in my hand. Let's see, this is new. A couple of new ones. a little angel. So you got a butterfly. Looks like that box that jumps out, something jumps out of it. A nurse, a dragon. So these are basically just random stickers. I think I have not had this one, but maybe I did. I think I did. I'm not really sure anymore. Oh, this is pretty. It's a girl and she has butterfly wings. Very cute. Phone, boy, whatever this thing is. A whale. Okay, I think I'm gonna this one's gonna be the last one. Pretty much everything in my hand is now, I think this one is new. Everything pretty much in my hand is now a duplicate. Alright, this, and I think this one is new. And I'm not sure about this one. Alright, so that was all in this box, and wow, I mean, just, there are so much. I mean, look at this. This is all in there. And there's a few more here. Oh, there's about 100 at least. Oh, I was wrong. It says about 200. Okay, next one is Big Sheets. Big Sheets Retro Store. 16 pages, and these are stunning. They are not cheap, and I think there's only like 1, 2, maybe 3 of each page. So I got a few of these in different theme. There's also one in Alice in Wonderland. And what I like about this is, oh wait, I think it might be a sticker. Okay, this is a sticker. What I like about this is you can either use the whole thing in one page, or you can simply just cut out whatever you feel like using. So these ones have duplicates. Postcards. It is very similar to stamps because they're not colored, and you almost get the same effect if you were just doing a stamp. And the good thing about the stamp is that you can reuse it over and over and over again. Unlike with this, once you use it, it's gone when it's stickers. Oh, these are dates, months. That's nice. And I have duplicates right here. So there's 2 of each. Nice. And then 2 more. Is that? It looks like a piece of a social security card. Nice. I really like these tickets. They're really fun to use when you're doing a vintage junk journal. Tickets are always a hit. Alright, that was it for this video. Let me know what you guys thought. I thought it was we saw some really good stuff here tonight, especially in these ones. And there's about 200 of those. That's insane. But they are very, very, very tiny. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun watching this. And I will see you guys in the next video.